you're welding in your brain, and what you can do up here, you can do here.
Fantastic.
Oh, I didn't.
I'm gonna just do the tack the end first without any filler rod.
Oh, you can whatever way you want.
I turn a little bit this way too. I'm seeing over the top of the glass and only watching the guys that are welding there. So.
Yeah, and you can turn it around this way if you want.
Yeah, I was going to actually, but yeah, I just find with these types of goggles, they seem to run a bob down, and I keep touching up the.
You didn't find another pair?
No.
You want to try these glasses?
What's the chances of us getting a job on the XL pipeline now?
Well,
about 70%.
It probably take you about as long as it would be to become a medical doctor.
Oh, okay.
So chances are you'll turn out more medical doctors in the society than pipeliners.
No kidding.
Well, it's like getting into the NHL, right?
Yeah.
How many, you know, it's
how many try and how many make it.
Well, those are determined they're going to do it.
Okay, let's give this a go.
I made progress.
Thanks, Don. Appreciate it, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Roll. Wow.
What you see on the outside, it tells you what's going on the inside. If it looks good, this morning.
Probably tack.
Just a tack, you betcha.
Yeah, I'm going to squeeze it on the other side.
You bet. I'm just going to let that cool just a second before I snap my vice grip off.
Oh, yeah.
Pop it apart.
Oh, yeah, of course, yeah.
There we go. Now we'll put a tack over on this.
That's good.
Okay. Going around here. Take that out of there. See what happened?
Oh, it's sort of burn right through, eh?
I'll pull my tack hard down.